If you are a dependent of a deceased person who used to work for government and contributed to the GEPF, I want you to listen closely. The GEPF has an unclaimed benefit list. These benefits were not claimed for a period of 24 months after a person left the fund. Please follow along to see where you find the unclaimed benefit list and how you can check if you are eligible for any unclaimed benefits. Firstly, you need to go to the GEPF's website, to the unclaimed benefits section. There you can see the website. And then you need to scroll down on this unclaimed benefit list. You scroll down till you see the unclaimed benefit list. You open the section. Now you have to search by area of the unclaimed benefit list. And if you know the person stayed in the Western Cape, you can go over and download this benefit report. And once you've downloaded, you'll be able to see, there you can see there's a whole list of people and unclaimed benefit. You'll need to go and search for that specific member through this list. If just one person could find some of their unclaimed benefits, it would be amazing to see. Please check out the list and see if there are any funds available.